going crazy.
Well, y'all, we here. Goose Creek State Park. Let's go. Go, y'all. See the trail? Live, 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 right, live. Should be some big water back this way. I don't know. I hope so. I hope so, y'all. Oh, this daggone walking. Better be something. I might have took the wrong path. Ain't no telling. But oh well. It'll be alright. We'll make our way. Finding one somewhere. Let's see what this junk look like. Man, these some long walks, man. I ain't know it was this long out here. I wish they would have told us that they got some long trails out here. I see some openings. People done burned down stuff out here. Needed that fire, huh? I don't blame you. So I don't even know where I can go fishing at. That's sick. It's wicked. It's following the trail. Just hope it ain't no big bears and all that other stuff, or he will be prosecuted. Okay, so what? The trail ends here? I'm gonna go through the safer spot. Safer looking spot. Okay. All right. Where is the water? All right, now, I guess we take the Mallard Creek Trail. Okay. Gonna go down the Mallard Creek Trail. Hopefully that'll land me to some water. But it seems like there's some openings down here, but ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. And I'm telling you, if it's something down here that want to attack, well, I don't think he's gonna be happy about what I have for him. I don't think so. So, hey, be cool, y'all. Mind your business. Ain't bothering nobody. I'm trying to find some water. Oh, almost bust my tail. Come on, y'all. Where is it? I don't have no service, so I can't see where I am. A lot of walking. One thing I do know is I am not going through no woods to get there. But this no service thing sucks. Dang. Longest trail ever. I hope for some water down here. I see a lot of open, bright light. Flies, I'm sweating like crazy. Man, the things I do to go fishing. And it ain't cute. Not to me anyway. I don't know where the hell I'm walking at. Watch out for snakes, everything. Oh my God, now where? Oh my God. Telling you, seemed like I walked all the way around in a circle, but I guarantee I didn't though. Whew. I know I'm tired. When I can see some water, I'll be satisfied. Uh-oh, I think I see some, but I can't get to it just yet. Yep, I see some. Yep, can't get to it just yet though. I know somebody took a path down here. Somebody got to have a path open for me. All that water. I see you. Oh Lord, what is this? Broke down tree. Okay. Okay. Man, okay. That's what I'm talking about. Get closer to that water. Yeah. Yes. Maybe I should have took that trail. Shoot. Maybe I should have had. Because it looked like the way to go back. Oh, it's getting closer to some water. I don't even know if I'm on the right trail right now. Definitely sketchy looking. But I can smell the water. I can definitely smell it, and I can see it too. Okay, we stayed all the way to the left, and we made it. Wow. Wow, you guys, look at this pier. It's a little pier. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We about to get down to business. If y'all stay with me through that whole walk, and you are the MVP.
Lester, you going?